Hello everybody! Welcome to Virtual Staff Finder. So today we will be talking about on how to get started with Audacity. So Audacity is a free open source cross-platform software for recording and editing sounds. So the first thing that you want to do is to download the software. So you can either Google Audacity or go to this site. So once you go to the site, it will determine if you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux. So because I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on this. So right now, you can see the next page and it's automatically downloading the software. So we will install Audacity and check it out. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to use this. So you'll see several things here that are very familiar. Here are some buttons right here. Okay, so this is the green button. It's the play button. The red is your record. Here's the pause, the stop, and if you want to move forward, and if you want to go back. Alright, so this is for the beginning, if you want to start in the beginning. And here's if you want to go at the end. Okay, so you can also see the levels of your output right here. Okay, so and you also have a microphone right there. So it will let you know that this is the input right here. So here's where the sound comes in. So you can monitor the levels right there. Okay, so you can also tune up. You use speaker levels right there, speaker levels. Or if you want to tune up your microphone, if you want to make your voice louder, you can also make adjustments. Or if the voice is too loud, you can also make it, you can also make adjustments to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to make a recording, and then we're going to do some adjusting methods, okay? So let's hit the red button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's click play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's say you began recording and it was a really good take, but you had a couple of mistakes in the beginning or at the end. So you can cut them off, some at the end, or you can highlight that and go up to the tool, the cut tool, and get rid of it. Or maybe I want to take this number out and then paste it before number 1. So let's highlight that, cut, then move it here, and then paste. Now, let's take it to the beginning and click play. 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So now it's 3, 1, 2, 4, and 5. Now, there are several tools right here. This is the selection tool. It gives you the ability to select parts. You also have the magnifying tool. If you want to magnify down and want to identify and get rid of very specific things, so you can use this tool. Okay. And then you also have the time shift tool. Alright, so this is a great tool if you want to move the selection. Let's say you want to start at number 4. Alright, right there. So I'll also show you how important this is. Okay, and we also have the envelope tool. So the envelope tool is good for adjusting the volumes of the entire track. Okay, so if you shrink it down, the volume becomes quieter, and as you make it larger, the volume gets louder. Let's try it. Okay, right here. 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Or you can make it real quiet, so you have to do like this and then play. 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so here's the draw tool. Alright, so, and the tool is very effective, but you have to really zoom down. Okay, that means we have to really zoom down. So you need to see the samples, which are these little dots. Okay, there. Okay, so as you can see, I zoomed down and there's really tiny points right here in the sound sample. And if you want to get really detailed, you can come down here and make some adjustment. So we will not do more of this, so let's go back. Alright, so here's a tool where you can actually set some points along the way. Okay, and as you want to start quiet, then you wanted it to grow. So at this point, I will start from quiet, then louder. So let's try to listen to it. Three, 1, 2, 4, 5. Then let's say you want to have some music going, so or something underneath the track, so you would like to click on your record button. Okay, so now it's recording as my first track is going on. Okay, so let's click play. 3, 1. Okay, so now it's recording 4 as 5. My first track is going on. And then what just happened is that I mixed the two tracks. So Audacity has lots of application. You can have music down here. You can bring some introduction right there. And so you can also adjust the volumes of which of the tracks. You can also hit the mute button so you can only hear this track, or you can hit the solo button so you can get rid of the other track. Okay, so one of the great things is that you go to the file and go to import and audio. Alright, so this is really great if you have a music and you wanted to bring it over, so you can bring the song right here into the Audacity and you can make some cuts to it. You can change the music you like and kind of rearrange it. So one of the great things is that you can go to the file and then go to import, then click audio. Okay, so this is really great if you have music and if you want to bring it over, or you can bring the song right here, or you can make some cuts to it. You can change the music you like and kind of rearrange it and make it to your own song, or make a podcast with it. So overall, this is a really great software, and the best thing about Audacity is that it's totally free. So this is just a very quick tutorial on how to get started in Audacity. So I hope you find this video helpful. Till next time.